Hey, we thought we'd bring you guys along today while we do some of our afternoon chores.
That's my boy. Good job, Chester.
There's Fabio. We have got some very interesting looking chickens because we've been doing the barnyard mix with our incubating. It's been really fun. Hey, Mrs. Turkey. How you doing, girl?
All right, let's see if we got some eggs in here.
They've been laying more lately. Oh, I think there's probably gonna be some under Miss Broody here. Hi, sweetheart. I know. I know, sweet girl. Delia, can I look under? Oh, look at that. Okay, come on, honey. Let me get them. Thank you. Oh, am I making you mad? She's gonna peck me. Nice chicken. She's a lot nicer than Persephone. When Persephone goes broody, she would be pecking me. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, 7.
Nice.
Smokey. Hi, kitty. You're such a good boy, aren't you? Where's Onyx? There's Onyx. Hi, sweet boy. Were you in the woods?
Okay, so here's our 2 pigs. We got Randy over there, Stella right here. Now they're separated right now because we think she might be pregnant. So we're hoping that she is, and if she is, we won't keep them apart for right now. But we have to wait a period of time to make sure that she is or isn't. And if she's not, we'll put them back together, and hopefully we'll have little piglets here in the near future. So right now I'm just gonna water them real quick. I keep this really simple. Just run the garden hose over here. She's really vocal. She's kind of funny. There we go. I'm gonna feed Randy real quick. So he's pretty smart. So we gotta trick him over here. Come on over here. Oh, there we go. Now that he's eating, and he's cool, he's a friendly pig. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna dump his water out so I can change it out. Right, Randy? You good boy. You good boy. All right, so now I'm gonna go in there and feed the goats, and this is kind of funny because they love this feed.
So our 2 little kids here, Mazzy and James, are really, really friendly for dam-raised goats. They have not been bottle fed, but because we have given them a lot of attention every day and we've gone and we've held them and we pet them every day, they're really friendly and they'll come right up to us. Hi, Mazzy. Hi. Hi, cuties.
Okay, so now we're gonna get the goats some hay, but I'm only buying round bales right now. And the round bales are in there where the cows are. So I'm gonna go in there and get some from their hay ring real quick. So watch this.
Got happy goats. So their little routine is that as soon as one of us walk in with the feed, they come running up because they just can't wait to get it. Here they come. They want their treats. We'll be right back and we'll get you your treats.
Oh, you know. You know. Mm-hmm.
He won't let her get any, will he?
No, he always getting in the way. He's a bully.
And Thelma will take it out of your hand, but Louise won't yet, right?
Right.
Here you go. There you go. One more. There you go. Come here. Come here. Let her have one. Let her have one. Here, you over here. Let her have one. There you go. So if you'll notice, our chicken tractor is missing the white tarp that is usually on the top of it because our guardian dog, Chester, ripped it off. And we've got another round of meat birds coming in a couple weeks, so we're gonna have to get that back on there. But this chicken tractor has really served us well. This is going to be the third round of meat birds that we've done in this tractor. So highly recommend the Suskovich chicken tractor.
Our rooster is an Ayam Samani, and I don't know what he hooked up with, but it looks like it might be a Polish chicken, maybe?
That would be my guess.
But it's got like a little mohawk going on.
It's cute.
So, pretty awesome. Little barnyard mix going on here.